Well, hello, everybody, and welcome back. It's now April, and that means we've got the stats for how real estate sold in Edmonton in March of 2025. Of course, as always, Jay, you're here with me. We're going to talk about it. And Jay, kind of what are the first things that we should pay attention to or know about sales in Edmonton this past month?
Hey, yeah, Josh, thanks. So let's jump into it. In March, let's look at inventory. We're going to look at pricing, and we're going to see how the market has reacted. So first thing we like to talk about is inventory. What happened to our inventory from February to now, right? So February we had 4157. That was our inventory in the Greater Edmonton. Now in March we've seen 4,848. So we actually did grab some inventory, and that was helpful for our buyers. Sellers were still happy because things are still moving because our sales actually jumped. So we were up 37% sales in March versus February, which seems like a big number, right? But year over year, March of 2024, we're only up 1.3%. So it's a pretty normal March from what we're seeing. And because of that slower February, I think that might have fueled a bunch of sales here in March. Day on market.
Yeah, absolutely. We had a pretty strong start in January. It seems like February backed off, and we're now right back on track with March sales, which is really exciting. If you like this content, please hit like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for notifications. Jay, tell us about the days on market.
Yeah, so the days on market in March of 2025, we've seen 30-day on market was the average for a detached home. We were up 39 in February, and a year ago it was 40. So we're starting to see the inventory really kind of moving a little bit quicker, right? And we've seen that movement in all of our property types, all the way from semi-detached row houses all the way to the apartment condos. They've all kind of tightened up and been selling a little bit quicker. If we talk about rate of change, month over month in our detached market was not even 1%, it was 0.9. But year over year, we're already at 12.6%. So it's a big jump. We've seen another big jump in row houses, and we'll look at that number here shortly, but it was just over 11%. And then we've seen a 6% for semi-detached and apartment condos, which is great. So detached homes, let's just talk about the value. 535,000, up 5,000 from February, and up a big amount from January. We were at 515,000. Semi-detached is 425,000, on par with February, which was 425 as well. 323,000. We've seen this number for townhomes all the way up from 305 in February. What's going to happen in April? Let's watch this townhomes and let's see if this market has supported this number, or is it going to drop back down to more of the February normal? Time will tell. Apartments are at 197, just down slightly, a couple thousand from our $199,000 number in February. Josh, those are the numbers. We're looking forward to see what happens in April. And you know what? I can't wait for these showers that we're supposed to see here in April so we get some flowers in May. We still got lots of snow. Let's get it melting.
It would be great. Maybe if some rain could come, it will melt all of the snow for us, bring those April showers and May flowers, and get us a little bit more ready from a weather perspective for spring. We'll be back again next month with more stats to talk about what happens in April. And we're also next week, we're going to talk about Trump's tariffs, his announcement this week, and we'll kind of have a better feel for what that's going to do and how that's going to impact interest rates and what we can expect from the Bank of Canada as the year progresses as well. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you again next week.